Kennie's okay.
This is Bicol Express.
Baby, let's go. First time to travel. Here he comes. Yeah, very handsome. There.
I hope I can get home with all my shoes and my passport this time.
Nice and comfy. Here's your blanket. And your special pillow. Airport coffee, and my date is from Denmark. That's right. Wow naman. So much.
Hey, you guys can wait a little bit.
At sabi niya,
Nasa ate ko, di ko napansin.
It's a long trip.
hello, Pao. Oh my God.
Sitting there in the plane. I'm trying to read. It's okay. It's not very
Oh my God.
But unfortunately, they don't sell it.
Hello po. Chiko. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, mag-around po.
in an airport. But we found
Salamat po sa nag-prepare. Thank you so much. Thank you.
yeah, it's absolutely hammering.
Yeah, I think this is the first time that.
Thank you so much. Let's eat, guys.
We are.
Do you recognize?
I am fully aware of where that
What is this? What is this?
Filipino for the next 4 days.
For me?
Yeah.
Thought it was the dog outside. What is it?
Ang
Because
ano
the
niya,
rescue
small.
cat, yeah.
Rescue
Small.
cat. This is the first time I'm making Batman.
And he's clean already.
Wow.
How's your practice work? Graduation best ni Ambin, I think it did not come.
The A man.
No, we're not. I came home for you. But Kuya Kenny was not
Oh.
able to join. I think the last time Kuya Kenny was here was Christmas.
No, we see
Before,
Cebu.
in Cebu, but not here in his
Here.
house. Not in his house.
I think New Year.
New Year, when we took pictures upstairs.
Grade ano.
So cute.
Dapat.
So cute.
Dapat.
Patana ng cake. So, this taste, what does it taste like?
There's a bit of sourness to it.
There, yeah, okay. What do you call it in Denmark again? You have the same thing, right? Ilka? No, for this one, it's a frikadelle? Flæskesteg? Say it.
Flæskesteg.
Flæskesteg. Flæskesteg, yeah.
Best lows ka at ano?
Ang po.
Ali, ano best lows? Ang combination.
Gusto mo daw sa snow.
Balloons, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you for the effort, guys. Pa, thank you so much, Masi Ramon.
Thank you. The food was awesome.
Right, so we will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat sa pa-DJ. Ayok. All right.